Hello, students, are you there now? Can you talk with me? Give the confirmation to me. Are you people able to listen? Yes. Now, team, students, what we are discussing and what we covered yesterday. Any idea? What we are discussing and what we covered yesterday. Can anyone talk with me? Whoever there in the YouTube, just give the confirmation to us. What we discussed JavaScript. Did we discuss about variables? Did we discuss about variables, friends? Yes. Now, here, observe this one. Go to the VS Code. Here, in this VS Code, file, open folder. File, open folder, desktop. Here we have web. Go to the open. Now, let me close this one. Fine. Students, in the today's session, let me discuss about arrays. Arrays.html. Here I wanted to place arrays. Which one? Arrays. I wanted to place arrays.html. Fine. Now, team see this one. In arrays.html, whatever the arrays we have. In arrays.html, students, can you tell the doc type? Can you tell the doc type? Less than, not a doc type, HTML. Next one. Can you tell the root element? Root element is the HTML. HTML divided into which section? Which is section, head section and body section. So the HTML divided into two sections. First one, head section. Second one is the body section. In a head section, how to define the title? In a head section, how to define the title? Title equal to which one we need to place? Arrays. Title equal to arrays. Team, go to which section? Team, go to which section? Body section. We need to go to one more section, then that section we can call a body section. Body section. In a body section, let me take script tag. Here we should be in a position, we need to take the script tag. Whatever the script tag we have, that script tag we need to place it. So let me place the script tag. Fine. Students, say this one. How to create one array? Let array1 equal to, say this one. We will represent arrays with the square bracket. Students, how to represent the arrays? Answer. How to represent the arrays? We will represent arrays with the help of square bracket. Inside the array, we have the so many elements. 100. Here we have the so many elements. The first one is the 100. Next one, 200. Next one, 300. Next one, 400. Next one, 500. Here we have the so many elements. We have what is the position of a first element? 0. What is the index of a first element? 0. What is the index? 1. What is the index? 2. What is the index? 3. What is the index? 4. So the index starts from whatever the index we have. The index starts from 0. Here the index, whatever the index we have, that index starts from where? The index starts from 0. So team, say this one. How to access first element? I want to access first element. How we need to access the first element? Let element 1 equal to array1 of 0. Array1 of 0. Automatically we are able to access first element. That first element stored to where? Even. Whatever the first element we have, that first element stored to the even. Now here, how to print it? We need to print it. Document dot write off. Document dot write off even. Simply we need to place the even. Now automatically we are able to say the 100 or not. Fine. Now take how to take line breaker. I need to take the line breaker. Here we need to place the BR. We are able to take the BR. Automatically the answer is the 100 is the answer. Fine. Team, how to do the let? Here say this one. Let E2. Let E2 equal to array1 of 1. Automatically we are able to access second element. How to print a second element? Document dot write off. Document dot write off E2. documented right of V2, automatically we are able to access the second element. Whatever the second element we have, that is second element we are able to access it. Fine. Now, like this, so third element or fourth element, fifth element, so many elements. Whatever the elements you people want to access, that elements we are able to access it. Fine. Team, students are getting the clarity on this one. Students, just a reply. How to represent array? How to represent array? Can anyone help me how to represent array? At least one person. How to represent array? We will represent arrays with square bracket. Students, whoever watching on the YouTube, I'm requesting you, give the reply to us. Give the reply to us. Fine. Now go to the, let me share the screenshots to you parallelly. Now, here, team, see the another thing and one more thing. Now, we need to comment the code. Whatever the code we have, we need to comment the code. Let me comment the code. After commenting the code, now let me take the, which one we need to take? Script tag we need to take. Students, which tag we need to take? We need to take one tag, then that tag we can call the script tag. Fine. Now, students say this one. Let array one equal to, let me take the strings. So what are the strings? HTML, and what are the strings? CSS. Next one, what are the strings? Now we have another string. The another string is the JavaScript. Next one, here we have another string. Another string, the string is the React.js. Next one, here we have another string. The another string is the Node.js. Simply we need to replace the Node.js. Fine. Students, what is the position of HTML? What is the index of HTML? 0, 0. What is the index of Node.js? What is the index of Node.js? The index of Node.js is the answer. What is the index of Node.js? The index of Node.js is the 4. Got it or not? Fine, students. Not only positive indexes, we can have negative indexes also. We are able to access with the help of negative indexes also. So what are the negative indexes? Students, say this one. This is the -1, -1, -2, -2, -3, -3, -4, next one -5. Fine. Students, what are the negative indexes? Can you tell the negative indexes? What are the negative indexes? -1, -1, next one, -2, -3, -4, -5. Tell the positive indexes. What are the positive indexes? 0, 0, say this one, 0, next one, 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, next one, 4. What are the negative indexes? -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Got it or not? Fine. Students say this one. How to access HTML? I want to access HTML. Let E1 equal to, let E1 equal to, let E1 equal to array1 dot yet of, array1 dot yet of 0. Array1 dot yet of 0. Array1 dot yet of 0. So obviously what happened? Whatever the HTML we have, whatever the HTML we have, that HTML stored to the E1. Whatever the HTML we have, that HTML store it to where, that HTML store it to the E1. Simply it will store it to the E1. So now same HTML I want to access with the negative index. How to access with the negative index? Let E11 equal to array1 dot eta, array1 dot eta of -5, -5. So same HTML store it to the another variable. Which variable? E11 variable. Whatever the variable we have, then this variable we can call it E11 variable. Fine. Students, I wanted to print it. How to print it? Documented at write off. Documented write off E1. E1. Next one is the E11. E11. Now let me take the line breaker. What is the speciality of eta function? Team, what is the speciality of eta function? What is the speciality? used to access elements with the help of either positive indexes and negative indexes. Used to access array elements with the help of positive indexes and negative indexes. Got it or not? So that is the that is the power of a what? That is the power of a at function. Fun students. Let me read Node.js also. I want to read Node.js also. How to read Node.js? Let e5 let e5 equal to let e5 equal to array1 dot get of array1 dot get of what? 4. Array1 dot get of 4. Here we need to place array1 dot get of 4. Automatically we are able to access Node.js. That Node.js is stored to where e5. Access Node.js with the help of negative index also. How to access it? Here let e double five let e double five equal to array1 dot get of array1 dot what? Get of minus 1. Array1 dot get of minus 1. Automatically we are able to access Node.js with the help of negative index also. So students, how to print it? Documented at e5. Next one is the here I need to place e double five also, and here I wanted to place line break also. Yes. Are we able to access the Node.js with the help of either positive index or negative index? Say yes or no. Team, tell me, are we able to access elements with the help of both positive indexes and tell me, negative indexes? Online team, YouTube, whoever watching in the YouTube, I'm requesting you, you people need to take the confirmation to us. Yes, students, I'm sharing the screenshot also. Please go through that screenshot. Next one. Yeah, students, and another thing, now comment this code. Whatever the code we have, this code we need to comment it. Fine. Students, after commenting the code, now let me go to the script tag. Script tag. Pujita already started na? Drawing the drawings or something. Huh? No, students say this one. Let array1 equal to let let array1 equal to here I wanted to place here I wanted to place 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Let array1 equal to I wanted to place 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Students, how many number of elements we have? Students, how many number of elements we have? Tell me, 5 elements. Na? Here we have the 5 elements. I wanted to read number of elements. I wanted to read number of elements. How to read number of elements? If you wanted to read number of elements, say this one. Here, array1 dot which one? Length. Length is the predefined property. Length is the predefined property used to find the number of elements. Length is the predefined property. Length is the predefined property used to find the number of elements. Here I need to place let n. Here I want to place let n. And how to print it? Documented data. Documented on right of n. Yes, automatically we are able to find number of elements. Students, tell me again, why length property? Students, tell me why length property? Why length property used to find the number of elements or not? Length property used to find the number of elements. Fine. Students, can I go for the another example? Can I go through the another example? Respond. Can I go through the another example? Yes. Fine. Here, script tag. Let me create one array. I wanted to create one array. How to create one array? Simply, I wanted to create one array. How to create one array? Let array1 equal to let array1 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let array 1 equal to what? Students tell me. Let array 1 equal to what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Automatically we are able to, yeah, say this one. Automatically we are able to create one array. Whatever the array we have, that array we are able to create it. Fine. Students, I want to iterate it. Coming to myself, I want to iterate it. Iteration like looping. How to loop it? To loop, we have for loop. Yes or not? We have the loops of for loop, while loop, do while loop, for each loop, for off loop, for in loop. So many loops are there. Fine. Can I go to the first loop? Students, can I go to the first loop? Answer yes. For for let let I equal to 0. Students, this one we can call initialization. Whatever we have, this one we can call what do you call initialization, semicolon. Now I need to press the semicolon. I wanted to press a semicolon. Whatever the semicolon we have, that semicolon we need to place it. Next for students, here another thing. I less than array one dot length. I less than array one dot length. Automatically, I less than array one dot length. Automatically, now this is the condition. Whatever we have, this one we can call the condition. Fine. Students, I need to place I plus plus. I plus plus. This one we can call increment or decrement. Third parameter may be the increment or decrement. Simply we need to place increment or decrement. Yes or not? Fun. Students say this one. What is the first one? Initially we need to take what? Initialization. This one what we call initialization. This one we can call condition. Students, what we call? This one what we call? This one we can call condition. Whatever we have, this one we can call condition. This one what we call? This one we can call increment or decrement. This one we can call what we call? Increment or decrement. Got the clarity now, students? Got the clarity now? Fine. Now, initial, this a part what we call, students? Students, this a portion what we call initialization. Whatever the portion we have, whatever the portion we have, this a portion we can call, I'm repeating third time. This a portion we can call condition. This a portion we can call increment. Whatever the portion we have, this a portion we can call increment. Print it. How to print it? Document it or write off. Document or write off array 1 of I. Document or write off array 1 of I. Fine. Students say this one. I equal to 0. What is I value? Chart with me, YouTube people. Chart with me. I equal to what? I equal to what? I equal to 0 now. Students tell me. I equal to what? I equal to 0. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5. Is it true or false? 0 less than 5. Is it true or false? Students answer. Is it true or false? True. 0 less than 5. What do you call? True. This one we can call the true. Yes or not? And another thing. And another thing. Now, if it is a true, array 1 of 0. Students, array 1 of 0. What is the answer? Array 1 of 0. What is the answer? Answer is the 10 is the answer. Now, automatically, we are able to see the answer. The answer is the 10 is the answer. Yes or not? After printing the 10, I plus plus, students, I plus plus. What is I plus plus? What is I plus plus? I plus plus means 1. What is I plus plus? I plus plus means 1. 1. 1 less than 5. Students, 1 less than 5. Is it true or false? True. True in the sense array 1 of 1. Students, array 1 of 1. What is the answer? 20. 20. I plus plus. I plus plus, tell me. 2. 2 Katyani 2, not 3. 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. Answer. True. Array 1 of 2. Array 1 of 2. Array 1 of 2. What is the answer? 30. At least to team, you people need to tell the response because a basic loop na. Fine. I plus plus. I plus plus. I converted to 3. I converted to 3. 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. True. Array 1 of 3. Array 1 of 3. Answer. What is the array 1 of 3? 40. I plus plus. I plus plus answer anyone? I plus plus 4. 4 less than 5. True. Array 1 of 4. 50. I plus plus. I plus plus at least one member. 5. 5 less than 5. Chart with me. 5 less than 5. False. False in the sense automatically the loop will break. Fine. Students, how to create a new line? Here I need to place the BR. Simply, we need to place the BR. Let me press the BR here, so automatically we're able to see the output. Students, are we able to iterate array? Are we able to iterate array? Talk with me. Are we people able to iterate array? Yes, we are able to iterate array. Whatever the array is there, we are able to iterate that array. Fun. Students, say this one. Can I take one more loop? Can I take one more loop? Not only for loop. Can I take one more loop, students? Yes. Let me take one more loop. I need to take one more loop here. How we can take another loop here? Now, let me take which one? Let me take which one? Script tag. Let me take the script tag. After taking the script tag, let array1 equal to, let array1 equal to, here I need to place 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Simply, I wanted to place 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I need to place it. Fun. Students, say this one. I need to take let, let I equal to 0. Let I equal to 0. What is I value? What is I value? Let I equal to 0. Yes or not? Now, here what we need to do place while I less than array1 dot length. While I less than what you wanted to place array1 dot what? Array1 dot length. Automatically, we are able to place the length here. While I less than array1 dot length, automatically we are able to place the condition here and access it. How to access it? Documented dot write off. Documented write off. Here I wanted to place array1 of I, and here I wanted to take line breaker. Let me take the line breaker. Here I wanted to place increment. Let me increment it. Whatever we have, that one I wanted to increment it. Fine. Students, try to observe this one. You people need to observe this one. For example, what is the I value initially? Students, chat with me. Online people like whoever watching in the YouTube, you people need to chat with me. What is I value? I equal to 0. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5. True or false? True. 0 less than 5 is the true. Array 1 of 0. Array 1 of 0 answer 10. I plus plus. I plus plus. Not only one member team, everyone need to tell. What is I plus plus? I plus plus means 1. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. True. Array 1 of 1. Array 1 of 1. 20. I plus plus. 2. 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5 answer. 2 less than 5. True. Array 1 of 2. 30. I plus plus. I plus plus answer. 3. 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5 answer. True. Array 1 of 2. 14 array 1 of 3. 40. Next one. I plus plus. I plus plus answer. 4. What is the answer? 4. 4 less than 5. True. Array 1 of 4. Array 1 of 4 answer is the 50. I plus plus. I plus plus answer. What is the I plus plus? 5. 5 less than 5. 5 less than 5. What is the answer? 5 less than 5. The answer is the, what is the answer here? Students, can anyone tell me? No. What is the answer? Answer is the false. False in the sense now the loop will break. The loop will break here. Now, whenever the loop will break here, automatically we are able to see the output. Automatically, are we able to see the result? Students, are we able to see the result? Yes, we are able to see the result. Whatever the result we have, that result we are able to see it. Students, this loop, what do you call? Students, this loop what do you call which loop? This loop we can call while loop. This loop we can call a while loop. Students, did we completed? Why not? Why not Mahinder? Why not we can? Fine. Students, did we completed a for loop? Students, did we completed a for loop? Yes, we completed a for loop. Did we completed a while loop? Yes. Fine. Mahendra asked one question. Sir, read data from. He asked one question to me. Read data from one array, store that data to the another array. He asked that question. Fine. So how to handle that one? I wanted to handle it. He asked one question in the chat box. Read data from one array, store to another array. Store that data to another array. So how we can handle it? Now, students, can I take the script tag? Reply, can I take the script tag? Can I take one array? Let array 1 equal to, let array 1 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes or not? Now, let array 2. Let array 2 equal to empty array. Let array 2 equal to empty array. Otherwise, say this one. Let array 3. Let array 3 equal to empty array. How many empty arrays we taken? Mahinder respond. How many empty arrays we taken here? We taken 2 empty arrays. Yes or not? Array 2 contain nothing. Array 3 also contain nothing. Array 2 contain nothing and array 3 also contains nothing. Got it or not? Fun. Students say this one. And I need to do something here. Here I need to do the something. Here I want to do the something. Observe this one. Once again here. Here I wanted to do the first of all iterate it. Students, how to iterate it? For let I equal to 0. I less than array 1 dot length. Next one, which one? I plus plus. For let I equal to 0, I less than array 1 dot length. Next one, I plus plus. Fine. Now, if students say this one, if array 1 of I percentile 2 equal to 0. So say this one. If a number percentile 2 equal to 0, then that number, for example, I think let me change the numbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Some numbers are there. If number percentile 2 equal to 0, push that number to array 2. Add that number to array 2. How to add it? Array 2 dot push. Push of what? Array 1 of I. So push even numbers. I wanted to push even numbers to whom? Push even numbers to array 2. One. Else, students say this one. Else, push odd numbers to array 3. Push odd numbers to what? Odd numbers to array 3. So how to push it? Array 3. Array 3 dot push. Dot push of which one? Array 1 of I. Got it or not? Push even numbers to array 2. Push odd numbers to array 3. Got the clarity this regarding this program? Students, you people got the clarity regarding this program? Yes. How to print it? I wanted to print it. Console.log of array 2. Print only array 2. What happened we will see. Yes. Students say this one. It contain only even numbers na. Students, array 2 contain only even numbers na. Yes. Now print odd numbers also. How to print odd numbers? Console.log of which one? Array 3. Array 3. Array 3 contains only odd numbers. Array 1 contain even numbers. Array 1 contain even numbers. Array 3 contain what? Array 3 contain odd numbers. Got it or not? Array 3. Whatever the array 3 we have, that array 3 contain odd numbers. I'm requesting all the people, you people need to join with the group. Students, you people need to join with the group. Fine. Now, and another thing, students, and one more thing. Now, comment this one. I want to comment it. Fine. Students, see the another thing. I want to do another thing. Now, let me take script tag. Let me take script tag. Now, let me take one array. Let array 1 equal to, let array 1 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let array 1 equal to what? Let array 1 equal to, I wanted to place 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I wanted to place it. Got it now? What we need to do place, students? What we need to do place? We need to do place the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We need to do place it. Am I right or not? Yes. Fine. Students. And another thing, iterate it. I want you to iterate it. So if you want to iterate it, we have one loop. We have one loop, then that loop we can call do while loop. We have one loop, then that loop what we call do while loop. So how to take it? Do, do. Next one, what we need to do place while, do while loop. Do while loop. Students say this one. Here I need to take the initialization here. Let me take the initialization. Let me take the initialization. How to take the initialization? Let I equal to what? 0. Access it. How to access it? Document it at right of. Document at right of which one? Array 1 of I. Array 1 of I. Comma. Comma. Here we need to take line breaker. Fine. Here. And let me take the increment it. I want to increment it. How to increment it? I plus plus. Now apply the condition here. How to apply the condition? Array 1 dot length. Array 1 dot length. Automatically we can apply the condition here. Fun. Students observe this one. What is I value? What is I value? Chart with me. Not one or two members. Everyone need to chart with me. What is I value? I equal to, students, what is I value? I equal to 0. Array 1 of 0. Array 1 of 0. Tell me, students, array 1 of 0. What is array 1 of 0? Array 1 of 0 means 10. Array 1 of 0 means what, students? Array 1 of 0. What is array 1 of 0? Like say this one, array 1 of 0. What is the answer? 10. I plus plus. Answer I plus plus. What is I plus plus? What is I plus plus? 1. Fine. Next one. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. Answer true. Array 1 of 1. Array 1 of 1. Answer. Fine. Array 1 of 1. What is the answer? I need the answer from you. Array 1 of an answer is the 20. YouTube people chat with me. I think just don't listen the class blindly. You need to be active in the class. 20. I plus plus. I plus plus. 2. 2. Array 1 of 2. I plus plus in the sense of 2 na? 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5 answer. True. True. Array 1 of 2. 30. I plus plus. 3. 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. True. Array 1 of 3. 40. Next one. I plus plus. 4. 4 less than 5. True. Array 1 of 4. 50. I plus plus. 5. 5 less than 5. False. False in the sense the loop will break up. Fine. Students, I will tell you another point here. Fine. Do we have any condition here? Do we have any condition here? No condition. Without checking the condition, business logic will execute at least once. Without checking the condition, business logic, this is the business logic. Business logic will execute at least once. Business logic will execute at least once. Then that loop we can call the do while loop. Students, that loop what do you call? That loop what do you call? Do while loop. Whatever the loop we have, then that loop we can call the do while loop. Got it now? Now, let me comment the code. Fine. Yeah. Students see the, let me take the another thing. What is the another thing here? Script tag. Let me take the another thing here. What is the another thing we have? Script tag. So simply we need to take script tag. Fine. Students, after taking the script tag, let me take one array. Let array 1 equal to, let array 1 equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Simply we need to place what? Simply we need to place 10. Yeah, say this one 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, say this one. Here, iterate it. Students, I want you to iterate it. How to iterate it? For a loop. We will iterate with the help of which loop? For a loop. Let me iterate with the help of for a loop. Fine. Now, how to iterate it? To iterate, let element of array 1. Let element of array 1. Fine. Students, say this one. Whatever the code we have, this is the code. Whatever the code we have, this code, whatever the code we have, this code will execute 5 times. This code, whatever the code we have, this code will execute how many number of times? 5 times. Fine. For the first execution, for the first execution, 10 store to 2 element. Exactly, Katyani. 10 store to 2 element. For the second execution, 20 store to 2 element. For the next execution, 30 store to 2 element. For the next execution, 40. For the next execution, 50. So for each loop, whatever the for each loop we have, for each loop, whatever the for each loop we have, that for each loop simplifies the for loop. Whatever the for each loop we have, that for each loop simplifies what? Simplifies whatever the for each loop we have, this for each loop simplifies the for loop. But say this one, for of loop unable to give indexes. Is it giving any indexes team? No. For of loop unable to provide indexes. For of loop will provide only elements. Fine. Now print it. How to print it? Documented or write off. Documented write off. Here I want to print element. Element. Here I need to place the line break. Students, check this one. This is the answer we are able to say now. This is the answer we are able to say. Got it, team? One. Team, how many loops we discussed? Students, how many loops we discussed? Can anyone tell me? How many loops are discussed here? We discussed about 4 loops. Na? First loop, for loop. Second loop, while loop. Third loop, do while loop. Next loop, for of loop. We discussed about 4 loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, for of loop. Okay, na? Fun. Students, please go through up to now. Please go through up to now. In the tomorrow session, we will go for few more other loops also. Let me discuss few more other loops. Let me discuss conditional statements also. Let me discuss few more array operations also. Okay, na? Fun. Thank you, students. 7 o'clock. Be ready to attend the. Please be attend the Python class. Fun. Are you enjoying the Python sessions? Are you learning something? Are anyone attending the Python classes? Anyone? Are you understanding? Are you happy with that one? Chat with me. Chat with me. Everyone need to chat. Whoever attending the Python. Yes. Thank you, team. Fine. Thank you, team. Please go through up to now in the next session. In the next session, I will go for the another thing. Thank you, Steve.